Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa powder. First, gather your fresh ingredients like ripe tomatoes, sweet onions, and your favorite chili peppers. Slice these vegetables thinly, aiming for about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick to ensure they dry evenly. Then place them in a dehydrator set to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll want them to be completely brittle, which usually takes several hours, sometimes up to 10 or 12. Once your vegetables are fully dehydrated and brittle, it's time to turn them into powder. Use a clean spice grinder or a high-speed blender to process the dried vegetables until they reach a fine, consistent powder. Now, incorporate your favorite dried herbs and spices. Think about adding a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and a tablespoon of garlic powder for a classic flavor profile. Blend everything together until it's perfectly combined. Now for the fun part, tasting and adjusting. Take a small amount of your freshly made salsa powder and mix it with a little water to get a sense of its flavor. You might want to add a bit more salt, a touch of sugar to balance the acidity, or extra chili powder for more heat. For a brighter, tangier kick, a pinch of citric acid works wonders. Once perfected, store your salsa powder in an airtight container, away from light and heat, to maintain its potency for up to 6 months. Your homemade salsa powder is incredibly versatile. To make instant salsa, simply mix 2 tablespoons of powder with about 1/4 cup of warm water and let it sit for a few minutes to rehydrate. You can also sprinkle it directly onto your morning eggs, popcorn, or roasted vegetables for an extra burst of flavor. It makes an excellent dry rub for chicken or beef, and it's fantastic for seasoning soups, stews, or even a batch of homemade chili. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.